Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now guys, this is somewhat of a different video because I'm showing you guys my makeup organizer and storage. This is a unboxing video, as well as I'll be showing you guys what I have in my acrylic storage. It's just a mini storage, but I love it, you guys. I bought it off of Amazon, and this is the unboxing portion. I'm just showing you guys how it came packaged. It's from Sorbus. Yes, that's the company, and it came well packaged. I bought it off of Amazon, shipped it to a shipping company, and then the company shipped it to me here in Jamaica. So I'm happy to see that it came in one piece. It was well packaged. It had styrofoam to protect it and all of that, and then it came in the box. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It has 4 small drawers and then 3 larger drawers. It also came in this plastic wrap, which I was happy about, so that it doesn't have any scratches on it. So yeah, this company did a great job in protecting my purchase. Alright, so it came with 2 pieces, that smaller piece where you can put your lipsticks, etc., and then the entire rest of the storage. Now, I had it upside down, if you can see here. I didn't even realize until like a few minutes later. Lol. But I got it together, alright? So, don't mind me. Anyway, so I flipped it over, and yeah. No, no, everything is okay. So the drawers come with this material thing that you can put, this insert that you can put on the bottom, I guess, so that it doesn't get scratches on the base of the acrylic drawers. But yeah, they're okay. Now this is the length and the depth of the long drawer, and they come with a handle. I really do like it. It feels sturdy. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just okay. Alright, and that's the length of the smaller drawers. Now I'm going to fill up my acrylic storage. This was like a trial and error because I don't know what products will fit in what, and I started to put my eyeshadows in the bottom, and then my primers, my highlighters, and all of that stuff. So it was like a trial and error, but I eventually packed up everything. I got some new products that I wanted to put in it, and so that's what I was doing. So some of the things that you're seeing in it now are going to be changed up because I realized that all of them couldn't fit, or I realized that they would hold better elsewhere. Alright guys, so that's the drawer. I'm pretty happy with it. It actually holds a lot of makeup products. I can't complain. The drawers are deep enough to hold my foundations and such, and it's okay. I plan to buy another one because it really helps me to be more organized with my makeup stuff. So this is basically where I keep all my personal makeup, and then I keep my makeup artist makeup for my clients in my train case. Alright guys, so this is the completed product. I have everything that I need in it. So I have my lip gloss and my lipsticks in the holders right there, the little holders. So this is a lip gloss. I have my NYX butter glosses. I have my mirror. I have some pencils and tools back there, I have my EOS lip balms there, and this part is detachable, but it's not gonna fall off because it sits nicely in these grooves that they have on the top of it. So in this drawer I have all my mascaras, my lip pencils, my eye pencils, my duo lash glue, all of that stuff, my gel eyeliners. So that's that drawer. In the next drawer I have all my loose liquid lipsticks from Colourpop, Galactic, Essence. I have different brands in there, BH Cosmetics, Milani. Then in this drawer I have all my primers, my eyeshadow base and my face primers from Becca, Maybelline, Dr. Brandt, ELF, Black Opal, all of that. Then in this drawer I have all my highlighters from Milani, Becca and Pure Cosmetics. Now this drawer is probably one of my favorite drawers just because this Pure Cosmetics highlighting slash bronzer trio is everything. It's super pigmented, guys, super duper pigmented. I got that in my box to charm and I absolutely love it. Alright, so those are the shorter drawers. In the first long drawer I have all my concealers and foundations from LA Girl, NYX, Colourpop. Those are my concealers, Milani, Maybelline. I have that Milani foundation back there, and then I have all my foundations, MAC, Mary Kay, Milani, L'Oreal. In the second long drawer I have all my powders from Black Opal, Sasha, Translucent and Buttercup. I have a LA Girl Pro powder, Maybelline Press powder, a powder blush, and then a blush compact. In the last long drawer I have my eyeshadow palettes, my ABH Modern Renaissance, Too Faced Chocolate Bar, Tartelette in Bloom. These are my most used palettes, and as you can see, that Tartelette in Bloom palette could hardly fit, but I made it work. And then I have some single eyeshadows from Milani to the side. Alright guys, so I do have a lot of makeup like all these beauty gurus, but these are all the makeup that I use for my personal use, and that's the storage. I love it. If you're thinking about getting it, then get it. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.